Hi everybody, welcome back once again to my Review With Me YouTube channel. As you know this video by seeing thumbnail and title, this is about WhatsApp two-step verification. I shall show you how to enable it two-step verification in WhatsApp. So guys, you can see sometimes to keep secure and save our data in WhatsApp is really important, and someone of us we don't know about two-step verification. So you can see now in this video how to turn on the two-step verification to keep more secure of your WhatsApp account. You can see here account two-step verification. You see here down enables, tap the enable option, and here you enter the 6 digits pin which you will be asked to register for this. Now I'm quickly filling the 6 digit pin. You see confirm your pin. So you can add this email address. This email address will help you to recover the forgot WhatsApp password. So you may add or you may not need this. This is optional, so I'm gonna skip this. Let me check the data. Yes, I have turned on the data, and let's see. Okay, so now two-step verification is enabled. It is done now. Now your WhatsApp is more secure. So I hope guys you know this, how to enable it, the WhatsApp two-step verification. So if you have any doubt related this video, you can comment me in the comment section. So have a great day. Bye. See you in the next one.